Hey everyone, Danielle here from Mastering Mathematics, and today's video we're exploring matrix algebra. Specifically, we're looking at matrix multiplication. Since we started dealing with matrices, we know that order has been very important. We're checking to see if matrices are conformable, meaning that the number of columns in our first matrix is equal to the number of rows in our second matrix. Once this is satisfied, matrices are said to be conformable and we can perform matrix multiplication. For this reason, matrix multiplication is not commutative. So you're going to have to always ensure that you write a matrix equation in a particular order so that you are able to perform the matrix multiplication. See if you understand this concept of conformable and non-conformable matrices. Take a look at these two matrices. Can you tell whether or not we can multiply them? If you said the answer is no, well, you're on the right path. You understand how to recognize conformable matrices. Here's a neat little trick. Write the orders of the matrices side by side and look at the numbers closer to the inside. If those two are not the same, your two matrices are non-conformable and cannot be multiplied. Let's go again. What about these two? Can they be multiplied? Did you say yes? Of course, these two matrices can be multiplied by each other. When we write the orders of these two matrices, we see that the inner numbers are the same. Now, if you want to tell the order of a product matrix, use the outer numbers of the orders of the matrices you're multiplying. So here, we're looking at creating a 2 by 3 matrix simply because our outer numbers are 2 and 3 respectively. Now, multiplying matrices means you're doing this row by column. So if I want to get the first row, first column element in my product matrix, I'm multiplying the first row of my first matrix by the first column in my second matrix. And this is how I'm going to get the elements in the product matrix. This process can be quite intimidating, but take your time with it. You'll be able to get it. Each element is the product of the corresponding elements added together. Now, obviously, you need to practice to try this question. I provided the answer for you, and you can drop a comment and let me know, did you get this solution? And we need matrix multiplication skills to continue our journey in the matrix. Next week, we're looking at the inverse matrix and solving systems of linear equations using a matrix technique. Hope you'll be with us.